In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Soundtrap Autotune. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to the Soundtrap website. On the home page, look for the Login button. Click that and choose Login with Google. Pick your Google account to continue. If you're already signed in, you'll jump straight in. If not, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate securely. Once you're in, go to the studio. That's where all the editing happens. Inside the studio, open the project you want to work on and select the vocal track you want to tune. If you have multiple takes, make sure the region you want is highlighted. Clean vocals recorded with a pop filter and minimal background noise will always tune more naturally, so it's worth keeping that in mind for future recordings. With the track selected, look for the Edit option and click it. In the editing panel, choose Vocal Tuner. This is Soundtrap's Autotune tool, and it works best when you tell it the musical context of your song. Start by selecting the root. The root is the key center of your track, the note the song feels like it resolves to, such as C, D, or A. Next, set the scale, typically major or minor. If you already know your song key from your chords or backing track, choose it here. If you're unsure, try the likely options, then listen to how the vocal sits against the music. When you choose the correct root and scale, the tuning will sound smooth and musical, rather than strained or out of place. Now set the amount. This controls how strongly the tuner corrects your pitch. Subtle and light settings keep things natural and are great for gentle corrections on lead vocals or harmonies. Medium adds more noticeable help without being overbearing. Heavy and extreme create the classic, stylized autotune sound with faster correction. Think modern pop or hip-hop effects. The right setting depends on your genre and the performance. If you hear artifacts or a warble, try backing off the amount or double-checking the key and scale. When you're happy with your choices, click Apply. Keep in mind that some accounts may require an upgrade to use this feature. If you see a prompt, review your plan options. After applying, play your track from a section with sustained notes and consonants and compare before and after. You can always adjust the settings again to strike the perfect balance between natural feel and polished pitch. That's it, you've tuned your vocals in Soundtrap using Vocal Tuner. Save your project, and you're ready to mix with confidence.